ABAREMI kogora CHIMBUSURO ekyo kyalengirwe na gwantirwa ne serikali chingaki echuboigo nigarure gekurera use gukurera gukya asaba onchireri abo bakoni CHIMBUSURO kitaranchirwa ne serikali aserere mbachikimukirwe getambukiro egetidikeri chiko asiboigo airaribaga gukwanira iguru y'oboremi bw'ekahawa imiense ito ya Kenya.
Do not buy. We are telling farmers, because by the end of the day, don't forget that it is not the government buying the seed. It's a farmer buying the seed. And the important thing, and this is very important for the farmer, please do not buy seeds that have not been certified by KEFIS. Because there are people out there pretending that they have been licensed to sell you seeds and seedlings, when as a matter of fact they have not been certified. So the important thing, as you are asking, is to ensure that farmers have the information. And you people in the media, you know, the fourth estate can really help us in terms of highlighting the importance to farmers of buying only certified seeds. So it is important from the word go that we make sure that we do so. But at the same time, it is important for the security apparatus to be aware of this thing and to arrest immediately those people who are practicing this sort of selling fake seeds. In fact, I have said, and I'm asking the members of parliament who are here, please go to parliament and then enhance the punishment for people who sell fake seeds. Fake seeds are a national security issue and should be handled as such. Those who are selling fake seeds should be held as treasonable individuals. It's treason, really. Because what happens when people in the country don't have food? You all know around the world what happens. But at the same time, it's also these people who are now hawking coffee. There are people who have been identified, even in Nyeri County, who are now buying cherries. They are buying cherry from farmers directly. That is illegal. In fact, I am told that there are bars, pali ya pombe, watu wanaenda kunywa pombe, na on the sideline wanakuja na kahawa. Wanakuja na hiyo kahawa, wanapeana kahawa, wengine wanaketi hapo hapo, wanatumia ile pesa ya hiyo kahawa. Sasa hapo kuna watu wawili ambao wana makosa. Yule ambao alileta hiyo kahawa angepeleka factory. That is number one. Number two, yule ambaye ananunua without a license.